Significant memories for a child, but a drop in a pool of insignificance to someone grown. Everything a matter of perspective.
And now we stand on the edge of a new tomorrow. A brighter future. A secure future for one and all.
Nothing is secure within the reality of torment. In the darkest part of your mind, there is untold power. Influence and power. An illusion made real. Unmake. The Atlas is everything we see and everything. Her dread shall not be erased.
I must know. What is the meaning of this?
You will never give up, will you? I suppose I should have known.
The tear. It remains open. Let us speak to my sister. It is true that I have pursued you, relentlessly so. But it is only to know your mind, to know your brilliance, and to save you.
There are some truths we cannot know, some realities we cannot allow, and sometimes we, ourselves, cannot be saved.
Forgive me, but this cryptic nonsense only drives me further into despair of not knowing. Be plain with me. Tell me the truth.
I cannot. I have suffered too long here to fail now. It has almost broken me. But I must succeed. The only way is to destroy it. It all must be destroyed.
To destroy what?
The Atlas.
But why? Let us do this together, from the outside. Why must you suffer endlessly here to achieve this?
It has already begun. The imbalance is almost at its peak. I must remain, for I am the catalyst. Afterwards, no one can harness its power.
Sister, please, let me help you.
Enough! I am not your sister.
What? What do you mean?
You mean much to me. More than you could ever know, and that is why it must all be destroyed.
No, wait!
The High Templar,